Hey everybody, Uncle Andrew here again. Last week we kind of tore into this 89 Jag. I actually already sold the seat off of it, so I've technically made $10 off of this sled already because I sold it for 60 bucks. Picked the whole sled up for 50, so not too bad of a deal. I finally got my wrenches, so I'm gonna start tearing this motor out, and we will probably try to get that out. I got somebody that wants the oil tank and the gas tank. I gotta take that up to the Twin Cities area with me next week, or in a couple weeks when I head up there. So that'll be a little bit more money made off of this thing. So I guess we'll get to it. So I gotta start by pulling off the starter, and the bolt for that is way down in here. Try to get this wire out of my way a little bit. Move the pink light in so I can kind of see what I'm doing. Don't want to block you guys though. Technically this is the wrong wrench because it's metric, and I'm using a 1/2-inch standard wrench. But these bolts weren't that tight anyways, so it's always fun when you get doing quarter turn at a time, or less. It's loose enough. Yep, it is. Get it with my finger. A little ways anyways. That wasn't gonna work. I thought maybe I could pull this bolt out, but the whole thing's gotta come out at once. so. Makes it that much more of a pain. Fathead's probably right away. Right, you guys don't need to watch me do that the whole time, so I'll come back when I get this thing turned off. Alright, finally got that nut off of after a million turns. Well, a million eighth turns. Now the starter, I might actually take a look at this, test it, and then the other engine that I have for my Pantera is the electric start engine. So I wonder if this would bolt on there. Might be worth a look. Otherwise it's going with this one. But see, now I can get to this bolt here, so I can pull the engine out. Either one of these, actually, the plate or the whole bar. I might just do the plate if I can, don't have to hold them. I might just do the whole bar because I'm gonna guess that I'm gonna have to hold them. So. Bigger than that. I'm gonna go grab a ratchet. Alright, got my 14 mil. Oh, let's see if I can get her to break loose. One mount. That one wasn't actually that tight. That's number 2. That'll probably fall off and get lost forever, but whatever. Alright, now we'll go back around to the back side and get them ones undone. Alright. So now, another time I could have probably, That's right. Should probably take the carburetor off. Oh, look at that. Didn't realize that. This has got a torque bar on it. That'll have to come loose. Did not notice that before. I wonder why I'm fighting not taking the carburetor off, but my luck I'd set it down and lube it somewhere. We'll just leave it on there for now. One done. Oh, you're gonna be a bugger, aren't you? Alright, I guess box end it is. Man, I wish I had some ratcheting box end wrenches. That would be really nice. so I don't lose it. Now, how the heck is this thing attached? Well, number one, I got a zip tie in the way. Just spin out of there. It seems that way. Wondering if I don't have to pull this to get to these bolts behind it, or the nuts behind it, and just pull the whole thing off. Might be easier and faster. Let's. Maybe. Yeah, through one of the different size. Alright, what are you, little devil? 13? 12? Yeah, go with one of them. Let's see. So I'm gonna call her 13. That hammer wasn't working, so we'll use this. Might end up taking that out anyways, but we'll see. Put it back together for right now, because that's holding the jack shaft in. But that's loose. Oh, look at that. And then it just falls off anyways. What the heck? Oh. I don't know if you can see that. It was just pushed up against there. Wow. Wish I'd have known that right away. Alright. That engine should be loose. So, get this moved out the way. And we'll whip this thing out of here in a second. Alright. Put that over there so I don't lose it. And then I gotta pull oil line, but I do not want that dripping all over the place. There. Okay. For now. Alright. So, here's the engine with the clutch on it. We'll set her back here for now. Starter. Need a knife or something to cut that. Just happen to have one right here. I don't know. Somebody might buy that. Suppose I could send it with it. I don't know. Maybe I'll keep it in case I need to build a drag sled or something. Build it so that so the motor doesn't tweak back when you take off. All right. All right, now we're gonna go after this oil bottle. Hopefully I don't make a big old mess with it. It's just a 11 mil. Don't get that very often. There we go. Got a lot of oil in there, so that's gonna. Number one, I don't want it spilling all over. Number two, that stuff ain't cheap. So that's gonna probably end up getting put over there in my Pantera that I brought up the other day. Put the Panther away for this summer. Unless I decide get a wild hair and decide to go up north one day. But time-wise, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that. Darn thing just wants to flop all over the place. Alright. I'm gonna pull the key switch. See what we'll tackle next year. I might send this with, because you never know if somebody's actually got one. Well, I think I want to pull the belt guard off of there. And probably steal the, well, what do they call that? Voltage regulator. Because you never know, it might, as long as it's good, you could always maybe use it in something else. Because it should be, I don't know, it should be pretty universal, I would think. Especially on cats. So let's head over to this other side. Take the clutch guard off. And we might actually start going after the suspension. Can't see it. Oh yeah. There you go. Put that in there. In case somebody wants to buy it, they got the hardware to go with it. Along with the top key. All right. Try pull this solenoid and stuff off for the e-start. Forget whether I decide whether it fits on the Pantera or not. Might just take the whole dang harness actually with it. But even if I don't keep it myself, I can send it with whoever's gonna end up with the engine. Bet you're not gonna get on that one either. Let's see here. Actually, might do. Pull the whole battery box. Of course, it's gonna spin on me. Let's see if I can spare belt. tray right now. So I just wonder if I can't quite see nothing underneath you. I even able to get to that bolt. Yes. Yes, I am. Oh, almost had it. Get in there, Jacob. See that? Use the right tools. Makes it easier. Now, kind of gotta get underneath it here. Get to these underneath ones. Can't. I know you guys wish you were down here on the floor with me, but I don't help it. All of these are gonna break up. You little.
Getting it. I'm getting it. One of them anyways. I guess I don't think it's turning on top since it's supposed to be louder. Alright, where are we at? Alright. This is gonna be a while, so I'll bring it back when I got you. Alright, so finally got them two underneath. They're rusty and they fought every single thread all the way off. But they're off, so they should maybe pop in here. Unhook some wires yet, but let's get it out from the friction first. Oh, come on. There we go. Boom. Alright. Zip ties. Doesn't take that much to do that. Oh, there you go again. Just knocking all the stuff over. And I dropped all the bolts. Alright, the two big nuts, they gotta go with the starter. Rusty. I'm just gonna steal these ones from the hood. I bet you they're the same. God, I like being right. Throw that one rusty one back in there. Alright. So the solenoid battery box might end up going with the engine, might end up going in the Pantera. We'll see. Alright, I guess as you can see, engine's out. We're getting her good and stripped down here. I'm gonna go home and see the wife because she's done with work now. So, don't know when I'll get back to it. Maybe tomorrow. Might not be till, well, I'm hoping to get to it tomorrow or sometime this weekend because I'd like to put this out on Sunday. Try to start getting on a little bit of a schedule for doing that. I figured out a little bit on how to edit, so hopefully the videos will start to get a little bit better. So that'll probably be it for this one for, well, unless I get a chance to start again. We'll see. But either way, go out there and like it, subscribe to it. That would, help me out a little bit so I can start, I don't know, maybe start getting good at this. Oh, a little colder today, so we got the heater going in the garage. It was funny, I was working a little bit ago, and one of the neighbors in one of the garages next door, I only had my door open about that much, and he kept my door closed on me, locked me in here, so good thing I can get out. Anyways, we'll catch you probably tomorrow afternoon or sometime this weekend. I'll be back and get the skis off, get after the suspension, might even get the track out. We'll see how everything goes.